Hello everyone, this is Fenstech window machinery. Today we want to introduce our unique machine for American type UPVC window. Why we design this machine? Firstly, let us show our American type double hung window frame. This is American type UPVC window, double hung window, the frame. Look at here. For this frame, actually include totally 4 pieces profile, but include 3 different profiles. Look at this. This one is this one. 2 profiles is the same, but this one is different with this one. This is 2 different profiles. Look at this the below corner, 2 corners. You can see here. This part cannot weld. Also, if you want to join this profile and this profile, you need cut this part, then do this 45 degree. For this part, firstly need cut 90 degree, then cut 45 degree. Based on this, we need one machine can cut 45 degree and 90 degree to do this joint. Also, actually, for this part, need 45 degree cutting, 90 degree cutting, and milling a slot, mill a slot. In this video, we want to introduce one machine to cut 90 degree and 45 degree together. Okay. Now, let us see our machine how to do the cutting 45 degree and 90 degree one time. This is the 45 degree. 2 different degree cut in one time. This is the first one different degree for this machine. The second one, the second different degree. You can see here. 45 degree, 90 degree. Let us see the second degree different. You can see here, this is not horizontal. There is some degree here. Because for this profile is not horizontal. Then, so that we design, this is the different degree here. To suitable for this profile to clamp easily and very well. Okay, for this machine, we mill this the under profile. Now let us use second machine to process this profile and this profile, two profiles of the vertical. Also need 45 degree cutting and 90 degree cutting together. For this profile, also need to pay attention to the clamping different degree here. The different degree. Here you can see 45 degree and 90 degree. 45 degree and 90 degree. This machine is processing the vertical two profiles. These two profiles is the same, so need only need this one machine is okay.